This 2021 Forest River Sabre Cobalt 3.7 FLH front living 1.5 baths, 5 slides is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, Sleep 6, Skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, Slideout, Awning, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath-and-a-half, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sabre Cobalt 3.7 FLH front living 1.5 baths, 5 slides is 11,918 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.